Look over there. Look at those. Oh my God, it's coming through here. Look at this. The power lines over here are swaying. The trees are going absolutely nuts.
This better not shut off the internet.
Better not cut off the internet. Well, hopefully if our house is still here the next 20 minutes. See, that tree stopped moving up there. This one stopped moving. Yeah, it's starting to sway on this other tree right here.
Okay, well I think that tornado already hit Pendleton.
Hopefully it won't hit here. We'll see. Wow, look at that.
Oh my God.
Look at that. I feel like I'm on a Mutiny on the Bounty or something. And there goes some more lightning.
I'm gonna go see it.
Okay, all right, go ahead, Davey. I'm gonna stay out here and record this for posterity. Remember, 15 minutes ago it was totally calm, blue skies. Oh, there goes some lightning. I guess what's happened is a warm front has hit a cold front, and it's turned into a massive mess. There we go. There's some real lightning. Or looks like this light over here is going out. This could be one big, huge hell of a mess. And this bed thing just fell over by the wind, almost hurt the Dio. Of course, I told her that was going to happen, but no, she didn't listen to me. Oh, there's some more. Okay, I'm going to go around the back, see what we got.
Dad,
What?
lights are flashing in here. They're kind of like going off and on.
Okay, let's go. See, the back of our house is all windows. And so I'm going to go out the back and...
And the kitchen is going like flash, flash.
Well, it's probably going to down some power lines. So the best thing we can do is just get a beer and hope for the best. And look at that. Oh, I've got a beer. Baby, open that, will you? What's kids are for? Open that beer. There you go. My hands are shot anyway. So the water's come all the way up to my feet here. Look at this tree.
I can't open it.
Why not?
I don't know. It's too hard.
It's too hard? Okay, I'm going to have to take a break here from my great movie making, from this windstorm from hell, to crack a beer. Just a moment.